channel, Texas PWC Fishing. My name is Jeff. Well, today I'm doing something different. The ski is still broke, so I'm out at Bird Island to do some wade fishing. Let's see how this can go. I've never been out here before, so it ought to be interesting. There is no live bait, so today I'm going to be using plastics. Whenever I get the chance, I will post which ones I'm using. I have some that are Coastal Brew Nuke Juice, and some Down South Bone paddle tails. Seeing a lot of movement out here, a lot of bait, so maybe that'll be a good thing. All right, see you when we get to fishing. I'm still walking out to where I need to go. Seen a lot of fish hitting the water. This is one of the bone paddle tails. I think it's a 1/8 ounce head weight. Just gonna stop here for a few minutes and throw, only because I'm seeing a whole lot of action hitting the top of the water. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking. This is one of the rods I built, and it's been pretty good so far. But this time on this one I put measurement marks. So we have 12, 15, 18, and 20, then 28. So I can measure from here and find my mark. These marks are a little bit longer than the ruler is. These are about a 1/2 inch longer than where it was supposed to be, just so I can make sure I don't have any shrinkage. All right, so the helmet camera is not dead. I thought it was. Well, I'm glad it's not. All right, so we'll try one more. This is an NLBN little paddle tail, 4-inch paddle tail. We'll see how this works. So far, nothing's changed. Just you can see all the mullet though. There's a lot of mullet swimming through here, and they're big mullet too. Well over the well over the 12-inch mark. I'm varying the retrieve between slow and fast just to see if something changes. See if the changes will make a difference. So far, no difference. Wind's picking up a little bit too. So a few people out here. I think I'm gonna try to walk down a little bit to see if that's gonna make any difference. All right. I'm going to move down maybe 100 yards. See if I can find something back that way. So we'll see. I'll let y'all know when we get there. Once I get finished with this, I'm gonna head back and start working on the ski. I've got almost all the parts in. I'm waiting on a motor for the IBR. Since I had an IBR module failure, I'm going to go ahead and pull that out today and put a new IBR motor in it. 2 motors for $26, I think it was, on Amazon, and a new whole IBR module was like $700. So I will, when I do the video for the ski, putting the ski back together, I'll show you the process of taking the IBR module apart. Now I was hoping to at least get one speckled trout today, not just a ladyfish. That one landed about 5 feet from me. Well, it doesn't appear we're going to have any luck out here today. I guess if we were mullet fishing, we'd be doing good. I think I'm going to stop back at Packery on the way back and see if I can get some mullet. I'm going to need them for snapper fishing. That wind almost blew me over. It's starting to whitecap out here. Trying different reeling techniques. Cranking it a few times and letting it set. Cranking it a few times and letting it set. Cranking it fast, cranking it slow. Cranking fast and slow, then fast and slow. Nothing seems to intrigue them today. Alright, I think I'm going to call it for the day. I wasn't planning on staying here very long anyway. I have too many things I need to take care of at the house. Mainly getting the ski working again. Because I want to get the ski working so I can bring the ski out here and go further down the channel to different areas. That would be nice. But I'm going to stop at Packery and see if I can get some mullet for offshore. So I get him with a cast net. I don't know why that was so difficult, but it was. Alright, so now I gotta walk back to the truck, get all this stuff off, put it away, and head back out to Packery. And I will see y'all once I get back to Packery. Well, it appears when I changed up my battery, I put a dead battery in it. So I had to change out the battery again. The last cast net didn't produce anything, just a few small 2-inch mullet, which is not what I need for offshore. I need 6 to 8 inch. So we'll try a few more of these, see if I can get some. I can see a whole bunch of mullet, but they're way over on the other side and I can't get there from here. Let's see if I can scare them. That did it. That got it moving, just not far enough. I need a pelican to land over there or something like that. Why don't you go over there? I could walk out there, but I really don't want to. Man, just at the edge. If you'll go there and scare him this way, I'll give you some. Yep, I don't have enough net. About 8 to 10 feet short on the line, and real short on the throwing strength. All right, I'm gonna go over the boat launch and see things at the boat launch. I stopped off at the boat docks at Packery Channel, and their water was brown and dirty and seaweed everywhere, and there wasn't any mullet to be had out there. So I got 2 mullet for bait for the offshore trip. I'll expect to get some more tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back out to Bird Island, but I'm gonna stop off at Roy's right now and get some pink paddle tails to see if those will help out a little bit better tomorrow. Like that guy said, if they're colorblind and they see pink and silver, maybe they'll hit that. But for now, thank you for watching. If you found this entertaining and enjoyable, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, help out the channel. I'm gonna try to make some more videos so that I don't go dark like I did last time. Sorry for that. Work got busy, and activities at work got busy. But thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay dry, and I'll catch you on the next one.